Brother, nasa kalamu boy mo dalawa. Come to the point. Point aja be extra YouTuber. Okay, ang siga na video ba na sampai sana man. Bara sampai like nga. Sana sino selekan sana man. But no change. Okay. Last year niya Brad Muzang man. I really love him. Okay, really love him before. But now I hate him. Okay, daya hate kalam. Si mana man ay. Mancia to mancia kasi mango. Sponsor de si bawa bangsin value gas right. And be able to be sure like be a hardworking kalam the best sponsorship mun gas and it's good for him na earning kalam gas na. I respect that thing, okay. And one thing before I start this video, I'm gonna look here extra YouTuber. Please don't mind this. It's a positive bola. Okay, because I go positive bola because I'm like deeply lagasin ba it's not good for you also and for me also, right? And because harshly go buno go man. But still I share this video in this particular video. Okay. Harshly buno kasi. Arang respect kalama man berat kosto isi bisim dir bedo. I respect this, okay. But ang babas na lubi kinai. Let's please support small creators na. Ang corner buang kan, but there are very much creators that have proper content banai kasi na. Bisa lo support kalam. Not ki jai ha ang localize sabi buno, okay. That is underrated, okay. There are again like few YouTubers that have proper content banai are underrated dong bisa support menakhi. Bisa ko support kalam na. Saya already rated like 1 lakh 2 lakh subscriber ganang per. Okay. Bisa ko han bai thaba news update bai thaba it's stress na. Right. Bisa na bisni na mo sunung views laga sila like that, right? Ami chadang ki news channel mane mahajeli nung malai ni name use kalam nang ujahi khaiye. Malai YouTube channel ni update nang ujahi khaiye. I know that. Okay, bisni nam nang se views muna I also know that. Isn't the common sense long, right? But still then our news channel like mainstream or local stream ko ise bujia majang man. Okay, extra YouTuber, please I request you this. Okay, mainstream local stream ise proper michiga then come and update it. And that's another sponsor laga right? Sponsorship best sponsorship ang nabupi kang ba. Okay, and I was like ang ni value hisabi sang price ko bidang man. Okay, ang ni value hisabi ang subscriber base hisabi ang like ang ni jeep value dong brand value dong, right? Pay sabi sang pisa bidang man, and he was like bye chat dong and PK baba na be pwedeng man. I know ki like 1500 rupees ever 2500 rupees out sponsor kalamasin ka ba. I don't know about that. Okay, how much price did you get? I don't know about that, but still then ki okay fine jeban kalam you're hardworking, you are doing it right, so nang earning ba kalam na mo. The main reason for making this video, okay, actually main reason I'm ki ang mana be video ko bana jata is because I don't see that extra YouTuber because I'm extra YouTuber kang nula. Okay, ji good dong man be ko nula. Ani ko to bana habo, inus ni ko no bana habo. Ang ni pa inus ni ko bana na sa. Jengni update phikya ini channel. Man ba konse jeng hendeng mai ke like a news update hagre mana opinion share kalam. Bini pa to jeng news ang ikala. Maza michila. I don't know how much against he is with us or with me. But please I request kalam. If our channel, okay. Man manai effect ba kalam small creators ko. Man ba bisar ko bumbai thaba mane small creators para mane gahaw gudran thane jaya. Okay. Then rated creators ko nung bumbai thagan eba update la bai thagan. Again, proper content for China. What is proper content, right? What is content? Means high order. So, bisar ko support kalam. There are very much people. Okay, chahe proper content manega sina. Support them na. Boro ni YouTube channel update. Dude, yeah, come on. Please support them. Ang handa lu beta kalam siyang ba. Dekha tau hai. At least support kalam. Small creators ko. Chahe proper content manega sina. So support kana. So basically say love you all, and please yeah, I know there are haters to figure out no hoy ini side effect figure man ba I'm a very underrated creator, right dude pina go figure ba ako poki figure ba. But before saying anything to me, please just continue hate. Last year mama daye mabi then come and comment please. So love you all, peace out.